Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today it's a Sunday. um I am going to be showing you guys Lake Chivero. I'm at Lake Chivero right now, and I am at this place that used to be called Vanilla Beach. Now it's called Paramount. It was taken over by Paramount, so it's just a chill spot. Sorry, you just come here to chill with your friends. There isn't much to do in terms of activities, so I'll just show you around and just give you a bit of pointers, I guess. All right. When you get in through there. Over there, that's where the cars are. That's where the entrance is. Entrance is absolutely free, but you have to buy food here. Like, you have to buy your meat and your drinks here. So there is that shade place over there. That's where they have a butchery and a bar where they sell drinks and meat. Beef is $5 per kg. I'm not sure how much pork is, and I think also sausage is $5 per kg. Then there are a lot of sitting spaces. Ours was this was our sitting space, but there are other sitting spaces, as you can see over there. Over there there are sitting spaces. Over there there are sitting spaces. I don't know what that is, but the abolition block is Kuseruko, that building. So you used to be called Vanilla Beach, and when I came here it was called Vanilla Beach, but it's really nice to see that it has been taken over by some people. I don't know, the Paramount people, so now it's called Paramount. So they're trying to redo things. Like you can see over here, there are trenches that were dug up. I don't know what was here, but the lawn is looking a bit more, it's better. And if you look at that looks cute. I'll probably take pictures for Instagram from over there. Here is where they used to have a beach. They used to have over there, there used to be a cruise. Yeah, you could go for a cruise from over there, but I guess because of the water drying up, it's not as what would you call it, it's not as viable anymore, because check where it is now and where the water body starts. Water used to be from, you see where there is that white car? Yeah, there used to be water there from all over. So I'm just gonna go there where my friends are. They're taking pictures. Yeah, so it's just a chill spot. You can come here. So apparently they don't allow cooler boxes in anymore and food from outside anymore. You have to buy food here and you have to buy your drinks here, but because we didn't know, they just let us. The people are so amazing. They're very warm and friendly, so it's nice also for a good photo op. Like, check this out, all this, I mean, yeah. So from where I am, this is the entire Vanilla Beach stroke Paramount in all its glory. Yeah, so but and also one more thing, their drinks are reasonably priced as well. There are people over there doing a photo shoot. Yeah, well, those are the kind of pictures that will come out as they were not assumed. But across the water body there are shops, and I don't know what happens over there. I've always wondered, and probably one day I'll get to find out, but I don't know how to get there from town, because I think from town we'll be coming from this. But yeah, Lake Shore is really like a pretty cool place to just do your braais. Oh yeah, they braai here, and the braai master wants $2. Lake Shore is really cool place for just hanging out with your friends, braaiing, chilling. And given corona now, all we can do is be outdoors, so I guess it's really cool. The only sad thing around here is that the sun is coming on us. The only sad thing around here is that They don't have water activities except just going into the water, probably to just stand there. And they don't, yeah. So it's just your friends if you're gonna come through. Gosh, the sun is just doing the things. Love it. Love it. Okay. That's Nisha running to me. Yeah. So that was that for this vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you got essential information for Lake Chivero. Bye. Say bye. Say hi. Say bye. Today we are at Lake Chivero for safety driver training aerobics. Basically, it's just fun.